Hello, Ellie. This will be some video feedback for you, primarily on the print ad. And I wanted to, well, first of all, welcome you belatedly to GRA 220, but also to urge you to not hesitate to reach out if you have any difficulties in the next 4 weeks. And I'd like to see a strong finish for the end of the term. Ali, this is a terrific collection of ingredients, and I think your images, they all hang together in terms of color. Your typography is just enough, I think, enough information. I want to take a look at professional travel ads just to see, what's current, I think, with the amount of information. They might use QR codes, for example, for contact information. And you've been respectful of the edge. This is perhaps just a little tight at the top here. Not sure you need to outline the logo. And think about this, too. The logo is not really centered. It's more or less flush left, ragged right. Putting something that is centered below it might be a little awkward. So consider aligning this also flush left, ragged right. Look for common axes. You've got several horizontal axes. Think about vertical axes, too, on which you can hang typography. I think you don't need these little thin bands, for the same reasons that you back type away from the edge. They may get trimmed off or substantially reduced. I think it's better to bleed the photographs off the bottom as well as the left and the right, as you have. And this too, think about maybe a little bit more elaborate box, more like a label, perhaps something that has a little Baroque touch to it that you can float on top of here. Just to make it a little bit more elegant. You are using the corporate typeface. It's not easy. Now I'm going to open up your ad in Illustrator just to see how you're faring with embedding images and using layers. Ali, I opened up your PDF in Illustrator and I see that it's quite different. Am I missing something here? It's quite different than what you put in the discussion board. I like this in some ways better, I guess, if I can say that, than what you have on the discussion board. I like this semi-transparent overlapping of the massage versus the beach, very soothing. And so you might consider going back to this. This could use a little bit more room, as mentioned, and again, think about what a professionally designed travel ad requires in terms of your contact information. Are they using QR codes? Are URLs still a thing? And so forth. Honestly, I would say I love this collage, but is there any way that you could enlarge the superimposed image of the massage against the background by extending it off to the left here so that it too bleeds like the oceanscape? I think it's transparent enough to have the ocean behind it read. Anyway, nice job. It looks like you've done it twice, and keep thinking about other possible arrangements.